Alright, back at Raging River. They actually put the course up a little earlier than usual this year. So, gonna be doing the course practice today. As I suspected, one of the new trails was gonna be on the course, which is Reverence, which is stage 1 here. Angled the GoPro down just a little bit from last time. See if it looks any better. I'm gonna do the double black line here, and then hike back up and see if the blue side's gonna be any faster. Seems a little more moist in here than last time. Okay, so here's where it meets up. So, head back up and see if the blue looks faster. Okay, back of the split. My bad. It's the double black, so I just did. Black is this one now. Actually never been down this side. Whoa, that's awkward. Oh, side route there. Okay, and that's where they come together. So, I'm gonna have to check my times, see what's what. Clunk. Taking it kind of easy today. Make sure I got enough in the tank for actual race day. We race in the sport class for 40 to 49. Actually missed this one last year because I threw my back out. Unfortunately, that's something that happens about once a year, for me at least. Whew. Weather's all over the place for the race, so might be rain, might not be. We might get rain before it, so some of this might be very slick. Some of this high line is the way to go, but if it rains, I just don't know how much reward there's going to be there if you slip. Yeah, I think that inside's maybe quicker there. Little break here. All right, continue on here. Pretty hot today. That gap is down here, but I don't see that being a good line for the race because I'm gonna likely case it, especially if it rains. I gotta remember that corner doesn't have much support. Oh, yeah. Losing all my speed in there. Shit. Try that line again. All right. Try this section again. Sucks you down, but you gotta try and stay up there like that. And then that one's super awkward. This part is going to be kind of gnarly in the wet, or maybe it's the one coming up. Oh yeah, in there. Yeah, I should have stayed high there. This part though, oh yeah. It's gonna be gnar in the wet. Out the end here. Whew. Man, All right, well, see how the weather ends up. That stage could be interesting. And got a bit of a pedal here up to lower PT, so pick it back up there. All right, up at stage 2. It's gonna be middle lower physical therapy. This one is kind of hard, in my opinion, to keep your speed through. It's got a lot of tight kind of corners in it. Not a lot of support with quite a few of them. This definitely doesn't have the amount of line choice as the first stage. There was a little straight line there. It looks like someone threw some pieces of tree in there, so let's see if that gets cleared or not for the race. That corner's always pretty loose. And then into this is kind of weird entry. If it does have sloppiness, this one is not going to be nearly as bad as Reverence. I just pump that one. I just find it hard to get that gap. It's gonna be the shortest stage of the day. The other two are definitely on the longer side. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a loosie. Once more tires get on there. Same with this guy. Should probably stayed high on that corner. And that's it. Whew. All right, well, now I got another good climb over to Upper Poppin Tops, and that'll be the last stage race, so pick up once I get up there. All right, this will be the last stage for me. It'll be Poppin Tops all the way down to Flow, and then I'm sure they'll probably end it like they do in the past, where you end up taking the road down for a minute and ending up in the lot, or I should say down by the stage. A lot better riding tech than I am at jumping stuff, so there's probably gonna be some guys that are gonna be way faster than me on this stage, so I have to try and make up as much time as I can on the techie stuff. That was a terrible line. I rarely ride Poppin tops. I usually just come out on flow state. I don't trust some of these berms as much as I probably should. Clunk, clunk, clunk. See, I braked way too much in that corner. Lost a ton of my speed. Pull out here, even though this will be a full pull on race day. Give myself a full rest. All right, continue onto flow state. Hoping the camera angle's good from today. I did angle it down a little bit more from my first test on this Hero 12, which was my last ride. Oh, there's a clunk of the rim. Never get that. Oh, yeah, dude. Been a little wild on that. Yeah, on race day I'll be death gripping some of this for sure. Some of these berms that got worked on are still holding up all right for now. A lot of stuff in here you can just pump a bunch, get some free speed. I remember stay inside on that. A lot of pedaling in here too on race day. Gotta save some gas too for the bottom. There's a big pedal on that log road to get to where the staging area is. Also be staying a lot lower on my bike. Try not to be as much of a wind sail as I am today. And then it's kind of like pedal, pedal, pedal here, pedal, 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 and then we'll probably end it down here again. We can turn down this. And it's like big pedal here. On the gas. And then they'll probably have you come down this side right here, like they have in the past. Pedal, pedal, pedal here. And then you kind of come up here right this like this, and then big push into the finish line area, which is usually right here. And that is it. That is sport course for the Raging River Enduro 2024. Gonna probably rest up a couple days because it might rain. Maybe come up, do some practice on Friday, and yeah, see everyone out here on Saturday.